Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer tokens using just a phone number. Whether you're helping out a friend or simply exploring this feature, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Dial *928 *170 hash from your mobile device. Once you dial this code, you'll be presented with a menu. Go ahead and select option 1, which is send crypto from the list. Next, select option 1 again, which is send to phone number. Now, you'll be asked to choose the type of token you want to send. Choose the token you would like to send, then enter the amount you wish to transfer. After that, type in the recipient's phone number carefully. Once you are sure it's correct, confirm the phone number. Since the phone number isn't registered for this particular video, you get a prompt notifying you that you are attempting to send tokens to an unregistered number, which is still possible. If you are sure the number is correct, press 1 to confirm. At this point, you will need to authenticate the transaction to ensure everything is secure. To do that, you'll be asked for your passkey. Enter that to proceed with the transfer. Once this is done, your process is successful. The transaction will be processed and you receive a confirmation message on your phone. If the transfer goes through successfully, you receive an SMS with all the details, including the phone number you sent tokens to and the amount you transferred. And that's it. You've successfully sent tokens using a phone number, even if the recipient isn't registered. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy crypto tips. Thanks for watching.